Existing thermal energy storage systems are generally designed for new, large-scale installations and energy shifting, not for the complex, high-temperature environments or the integration needs of existing heavy industry facilities like those for steel, cement, glass, and chemicals manufacturing. We need modular, easy-to-integrate, durable solutions that can handle extreme heat and thermal cycling. Multiscale Systems Innovation, the hybrid manufactured thermal battery module, or HTBM, directly addresses these needs. It's a modular, compact, cost-competitive, scalable, and highly durable thermal energy storage unit designed specifically for high-temperature industrial processes and can be a drop-in thermal storage solution for existing settings, such as electrified reheat furnaces, kilns, dryers, and pilot-scale heat-to-power systems. The unit stores energy captured from waste heat streams or electric resistance heating. When needed, this energy is dispatched on demand using a working fluid like air or supercritical CO2. The modular design incorporates mounts, manifolds, and sensor ports, making it integration ready. The HTBM uses a novel design and a unique manufacturing approach. The module is built with two main components, a high-temperature heat exchange manifold and a thermal storage element. Produced with wire laser hybrid manufacturing, the manifold will consist of durable, high-temperature superalloys like Hastelloy or stellite-clad Inconel. For improved heat transfer, the manifold surfaces will be covered in thin, micro-textured fractal heat exchangers and microgroove textures. The thermal storage unit is interweaved with the manifold plates and contains a casted graphene oxide composite core. Highly efficient, the HTBM is capable of cycling at temperatures exceeding 800 degrees Celsius. Our in-house hybrid manufacturing systems combine multi-alloy additive manufacturing, 5-axis machining, and laser etching in a single setup. Our solution offers key advantages critical for high-temperature applications, including improved heat transfer, reduced thermal response time, and superior durability under extreme corrosion and thermal cycling. The Multiscale team has extensive experience in high-temperature alloy design, multi-material joining, and hybrid manufacturing. We routinely build and machine components for demanding infrastructure-critical industries. Domestically manufactured, compact, and high-performing, the HTBM offers a practical path for hard-to-decarbonize industries to integrate cleaner energy sources, recover waste heat, reduce natural gas usage, and improve grid flexibility.